Hello there, welcome to Essay Solvers. Be sure to subscribe and turn the notifications on to be a essay solver. Now in this video, we are gonna learn addition, introduction and solving. Here's on how to solve addition, simple explanation. Now let's start. What is addition? Addition is anything that you're adding something. Like for example, you have 3 apples and 2 oranges. How many fruits do you have? That's right, 5 is the answer. And we got the answer because of adding, and this is known as addition. Addition basically means increasing the quantity of something with another number of something. Here's another example. You have 5 apples and your friend gave you 6 more apples. Now just take the number 5 since you have had 5 apples with you and increase it with number 6 since your friend gave you 6 apples. Now if you combine 5 with 6, you get 11. So you have total 11 apples with you. Great! And always remember this very important thing, the sign for addition is plus. It's called as the plus sign. Word problem example. Okay, you're now on your way to the supermarket and you are amazed to see such fresh fruits. You thought of taking 5 apples, 1 watermelon and 4 oranges. You then go to the counter, then pay, and wow, you come out of the shop and eager to taste the scrumptious fruits. But wait, how many fruits do you have? Let's solve. 5 apples, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 watermelon and 4 oranges, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, let us add all the fruits you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have 10 fruits with you. Yum! But later you feel like to eat something sweet, and the first thing that comes in your mind are chocolates. You go inside the supermarket again and buy 3 small chocolates. How many items do you have? We had 10 fruits, and since we have 3 chocolates, 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. You are finally going home, and what a solving adventure you have had. Okay, now let us go to the next level of addition, which is parts of addition. Here is an example. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 3 and 2 are participating in the problem, so they are known as addends. The signs used in the problems are plus and equal. Finally, the answer you get is called sum. Okay, let us now solve addition from 1 digit to 3 digits. Let's solve. Now let's start off with 1 digit sums. What is 1 plus 1? Obviously 2. Now that's easy. 5 plus 4? Now if we add 5 with 4, we get 9. Okay, now 5 plus 6, we get 11. Now let's go off to a 2 digit sum. What is 12 plus 24? Okay, now that is quite difficult. To make it easy, we used a little something. Let us explain. Now the right side digits are 2 and 4. Add them and you get 6. Now solve the left one. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So basically we get 36. Now off to 3 digits. 365 plus 366. That is also quite difficult. But let us do the working as we did to the 2 digits. But wait, 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. So should we write 11 directly to the answer? No, we should not. Keep the right side number to the answer and the left side to the top as shown. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. And since we put 1, 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. Even that is a 2 digit. So put the right side number to the answer and the left side on the top. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. We have 1. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. What is the answer? 731. So continue the same to all digits and you know you can do it. Here are 5 questions. Solve it and then comment the answers in the comment section. Work honestly and without a calculator to boost your solving skills. We will reply to your comments and say whether it is correct or wrong. You are now ready to solve addition, but it is not over. Still, there are 3 more basic operations, so subscribe, turn the notification on, and stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. See you all later.